Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be building a Wikipedia article summarizer in Python. Wikipedia is a treasure trove of knowledge, but sometimes we need a quick summary of an article instead of reading the entire content. Today we'll leverage the power of natural language processing and the Wikipedia API to extract and summarize article content. Now before we get into the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and with that out the way, let's hop right into it. So before we start coding, let's make sure that we have the necessary libraries installed. We'll be using the Wikipedia API library for interacting with the Wikipedia API and the Natural Language Toolkit LTK library for text processing. Let's go ahead and install them now. Right, while we're waiting for those to install, let's move on to writing our Wikipedia article summarizer script. Here's an overview of the steps that we'll follow. First, we'll import the necessary libraries. Second, we'll define a function to retrieve the Wikipedia article. Third, we'll pre-process the article content. Next, we'll summarize the article using the NLP algorithm. And lastly, we'll display the summary. Now let's begin importing our required libraries. In this code snippet, we import the our error here. Sent tokenize is what it's supposed to be. There we go. So in this code snippet, we import the Wikipedia API library for accessing the Wikipedia API, the stop words module from the NLTK library to remove common words, the sent tokenize and word tokenize functions to tokenize the text, the porter stemmer class for word stemming, and the TF-IDF for vectorizer and k-means classes from the scikit-learn library for text vectorization and clustering. Next, we'll define a function that retrieves a Wikipedia article based on a given topic. Let's make sure we have a hole in here. Alright, so in this code snippet, we define a function called getArticle that takes a topic parameter. We create an instance of the Wikipedia API.Wikipedia class, specifying the language as English. We then use the page method to retrieve the Wikipedia page for the given topic. If the page exists, we return its content using the text attribute. Otherwise, we return none. Now that we can retrieve the Wikipedia article, let's pre-process the content before summarizing it. Here's how we can do that. Close that bracket. this 7 words. Then next we can join the preprocessed sentences. All right, make sure we didn't make any errors there. So in this code snippet, we define a function called preprocessed text that takes the text parameter. We first tokenize the text into sentences using the sent tokenize. Then, for each sentence, we tokenize the words using word tokenize and apply word stemming using the Porter stemmer class. We only keep the alphanumeric words and convert them to lowercase. Finally, we join the preprocessed sentences and return the result. With the article content preprocessed, let's move on to summarizing. Here's the code for that. Let's make sure it's good. There we go. Alright, in this code snippet, we create an instance of the TF-IDF vectorizer class to convert the preprocessed text into numerical vectors. We then fit the vectors using the fit transform method and obtain the feature names. Next, we determine the number of clusters for the k-means algorithm based on the square root of the number of feature names. We apply k-means clustering to the vectors and obtain the sorted centroids. We extract the top words from the centroids and join them with the first 3 sentences of the preprocessed text to form the summary. Now that we have all the necessary functions, let's use them to summarize a Wikipedia article. Here's an example. Alright, so in this code snippet, we Define a topic variable with the desired Wikipedia article topic, and then call the getArticle function to retrieve the article content. If the article exists, we preprocess the text using the preprocessText function, summarize it using the summarizedArticle function, and print the summary. Otherwise, we print a message indicating that the article was not found. There we go. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment in the comment section if you have any questions, subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next one.